Hi guys, good morning. Remember the last time I did a video about the 1 kVA system not supplying outputs at the output terminals, a Chinese inverter brand. I showed you how I fixed the problem, and today I'm going to do a demonstration of the unit working and testing the terminals to show you that the output is there. I've been able to assemble it completely. So this is my connection. Done the battery time connection. It's a 12-volt system, and this is the output. You can see it here. It's a 1 kVA. It's a one, I don't know. Okay, now it's clear enough. So I'm gonna put it on. First of all, my breaker. From my breaker on the unit, and on this meter here is where we will see the output voltage. You can see there 331.7. Yes, I'm using a mastic. Yeah, I'm using a mastic meter to do this for you, so you can see it clearly. You can see the voltage there, so everything is fine. So